Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix create sticker options not showing on Instagram. So if the create sticker options is not showing on your Instagram, it could be due to several reasons such as app version, account limitations, or feature availability in your regions. And here is how you can fix it. The first one is you need to update your Instagram app. So ensure you are using the latest version of Instagram. You can go to Play Store or App Store, and here you can just search for Instagram. Okay, if you see any updates available, you can just update the app if the newer version is available. And the second solution is you can check for the feature availability, because Instagram rollouts feature gradually and not all accounts may have immediate access. So you can check Instagram's official announcement or forums to confirm whether the feature is available in your region or for your account type. And the next solution, you can try to clear the cache and data. If you are on Android, you can just go to your phone settings. Here, find apps and select Instagram. Okay, this one. You can tap the storage and cache and just clear the cache of the app, or you can also clear data if necessary. Let's try to clear the cache, and after this you can relaunch the Instagram app and see if the problem is fixed. If it doesn't still show up, you can just log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of Instagram and logging back in can refresh your features and fix issues. And the next one, you can reinstall the app. So you can uninstall the Instagram first and reinstall it from the Google Store. This ensures you have a fresh installation and the latest version. And the next one, you can also test on another device. You can log in into your account on another device to see if the feature is available there. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your device. And next one, you can also check for your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable, because poor connectivity can prevent some feature from loading. And the last resort that you can do is contact the Instagram support. So you can, if none of the previous steps work, you can report the issue to Instagram. You can go to the settings and privacy in here on Instagram. You can scroll down in here and find these options, help, and just report a problem. You can describe the issue and request assistance. So by following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue of the create stickers options not showing on your Instagram. And that's all for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, leave a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to click on thanks and subscribe. Bye.